right, so what I noticed coming today is we had an SMT at this high and an SMT at the low right here. Also on the higher time frame, looking at external price action, right? I wanted to see pretty much a Monday accumulation. I didn't really want to see Monday reach lower for any substantial like external high or external low, like down here. Also, price was sitting in this 4-hour bearish for value gap, and we're trading higher off this 4-hour bullish for value gap. So I had more of a neutral bias coming in today. I wasn't really looking to trade. So I did accumulation bias pretty much. I wanted to just see how price would trade off time openings and intraday SMTs to see how we can form intraday structure. Because that's what you got to do if you have no like external bias. Because right now price is in a really weird spot on Monday. But now that we saw this Monday accumulation, I know how to trade Tuesday now. So pretty much on the daily we saw a Monday accumulation, right? Monday didn't expand any higher or lower. It just accumulated right here. Even though we saw some decent price moves today, we just traded up, back down, and then back up. We just essentially accumulated. Well, that's the accumulation. You know, price doesn't really reach any external draw on liquidity. So pre-market or during after the daily candle right here off the daily open, right? Like I said, we had SMT at these highs where we traded lower off of, forming this 4-hour bearish for value gap right here. And then what I noticed pre-market, or what I noticed before market open, was on the 15-minute, we're putting SMT at these lows. We're pretty much forming, before market open, we were forming a 15-minute, pretty much 15-minute like smart money reversal as we inverse these PD rays right here. So I was looking to take longs, or I wasn't looking to take longs, but I was looking to see if longs could get traded into, if we can trade back into here for that 4-hour bearish for value gap. But as you can see off 9:30 open, it just ripped higher. Traded all the way to the overnight high, or the Asian high, where we're putting an S&T turtle soup, and then this is where I actually took a trade with 5 MNQ and lost $100. So, and this trade was not bad. I would have conned this whole short if I didn't get induced, but the trade was not bad. All right, so off that turtle soup SMT right here, price traded lower, inversing this 1-minute bullish for value gap. Right here, we saw some bearish displacement too, so at that price, we're gonna start moving lower. So once we inverse that, I went short. Once price traded back into it, my stop loss was at this high here, and then my target was, I think it was like some hourly for value gap. Or how would have targeted market open? We'll see. I would target this 15-minute back in discount of market open for 379 ticks. I use my fib. You can target 50% of the range, 50%, and then 0.618 are good targets you have if there's no like draws in liquidity. I wasn't expecting price to reach all the way back down to this low. I didn't want to see London, the pre-market low get run. I didn't expect that to be the draw. So, and it didn't get run. It did not get run. We actually had S&T with that low, but that was that first short. Essentially off that inversion for value gap with turtle soup SMT. I actually didn't close at this high. Once I saw this candle flip bullish, I pretty much closed out like right here. Because I pretty much knew once I saw this candle, I was going to get stopped out. So I closed out like right here. And then it ended up didn't run that stop. And then it had that inducement before that moved down lower, right? Then we formed that. Then we started trading lower, showing bearish structure. This was also a 10 a.m. power of 3, which is what I saw for my entries. Off the 10 a.m. open, we traded higher, taking out that level of liquidity, SMT, and then forming that reversal. So that was a justified trade. What I could have waited for was this 3-minute right here to get inversed, so I did notice the price start trading into. The reason why I didn't wait for it to get inversed was, one, if I waited for it to get inversed, you risk missing this whole short, because sometimes it'll inverse that 1 minute and then just continue selling off through there and just offer no entry. So one, I didn't want to miss that short. Two, I thought I top ticked it And 3, if I didn't take this position and it did end up running down lower, I already know like half my Discord would be like, bro, this is your entry model, why don't you take it? So, it was worth the risk. And then price pretty much traded back lower. S&T at the pre-market low, and then we just ranged for the rest of the day, just cause us range within here until power hour. We had this move up higher, but never sweeping any form of external. We're still in the previous day's range. We're still sitting inside that previous day's range right here. So this is what I'm looking at coming into tomorrow. So I'm looking at coming to tomorrow is same price trade higher like this. We have this hourly bearish fair value gap right here. Let me delete half this shit off my charts. Make sure there's no S&T with ES. Alright, yeah, there's no S&T. Alright, so what I'm looking at tomorrow is I want to see price run higher for previous day high and maybe potentially this high right here we have. And this might set up for a bearish week if we see that happen. I'm going to see how we trade this high. See how we trade off this sweep with this high, but this is my draw tomorrow. Okay, I want to see how the overnight session forms. We're still within this range and we're still accumulating. So we have to wait for price to manipulate outside this range, right? So ideally, I want to see price trade to buy side here, and then see if we can form a bearish week off of that, or if we just form a buy model higher through that high. So we'll have to see, but this is like my draw because I want to see price manipulate outside this internal range we have going on here. Because we still are within that 4-hour balance, and we saw just today accumulate. But that's what I'm looking at coming tomorrow, because looking at the structure today, we traded lower, but then off that low, we're starting to trade higher. So I could see this high and this high get run out tomorrow. It depends. If we take this high, If we take this high, I will see how we trade it as high of the week. If we sweep this high and then can displace heavy through it, like displace heavy off of this high, like you run that high and then we start displacing lower, then this could potentially be the high of the week. Is it waiting a second for trading? Yeah, I have to. I think it's, well, I have to because I have a Discord and I need to look at 2 monitors, so I need to look at 2 charts. So actually, I should have 3. 3 would be the most ideal scenario for me, but 2 works. I just gotta do this sometimes. But you should get 2.
Bro, I saw that shit, Moses. I remember you sent it in chat. That shit was so funny. Guys have the TV with the charts pulled up. My desk is small. Bro, my laptops are on top of each other. My desk is pretty small too. I got my bottom laptop I use to fucking play games while I'm trading. And my top screen is the charts.
It's that 4-hour bearish for value gap.
Hey, look, this is my setup.
to see how price will trade off of that right here. So off market open price is traded higher, taking out the overnight high. So off the 9:30 a.m. open price traded higher, taking out the overnight high with the turtle soup SMT. Is this your setup, bro? This is a fire setup. This is alpha setup. This might be the best setup I've seen, bro. Is that all powered by that laptop? Should I do this? Do what? Do this. Yeah, that's fine. That's what I do. I have a laptop and a monitor, so I have technically two monitors, but it's only one external monitor because I have a laptop. I have the same thing with Aiden's doing. It's really easy. You just gotta get what's it called? A converter. Exactly, yeah. The converter I have is shit. It disconnects like all the time. So that's why sometimes you'll see my stream like disconnect for a second because my converter just disconnects. I don't really know why, but I need a new one. But this is this is a sick ass setup. I like how it's like a TV and then like this is like a wall mounted monitor. I don't know, like the fucking lizard cage here. And then the urine he's drinking. It's fire. Is this your setup, Steven? This is nice too. I don't like how the monitors are right on top of each other, but that's nice.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad when you're sitting. Also, my desk is really small.
Bruh, take the flowers out of your PC, bruh. Oh, that's a picture. Never mind.
My friend gave that to me. It's not flowers, it's a picture. Yeah, I don't like TVs as screens.
I need to lock in, bro. Oh my god. I didn't go to the gym today. I woke up, traded, and I slept all day after that. I didn't get any homework done. I didn't get anything done.
What, do you have like a pet lizard or something, Moses? No news tomorrow.
No news tomorrow.
Yeah.
No news tomorrow.
Only news once this week again, Thursday.
We're watching Vinland Saga after this, by the way, Steven.
Yeah. Yeah, still gonna trade.
Yeah, I will still trade because Tuesday's not as bad as Monday. No news. We have no news tomorrow. We have this orange folder, but it might drive a little volatility, but nothing serious. So I'm looking at. But I will be trading tomorrow. We shouldn't see a horrible day. Ideally, we do not see Tuesday and Wednesday accumulate. That'll be accumulation this whole week. Another scenario that could play out is we pretty much just accumulate this entire week, not reaching any form of draw on liquidity, and we just wait until elections. That would be the worst scenario possible, but it's a scenario. What's your Biden and Trump? Biden's not even running for president, bags.
This guy.
The fuck is that, a dragon?
Yeah, it's a bearded dragon. My friend has one of those.
Let me know if y'all need one.
That's crazy. How much do you even sell them for?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Bro, dogs are mad expensive, bro.
Yeah, you buy them.
I know. I didn't know my parents
Never
bought my.
buy dogs.
I didn't know my
Just
parents
adopt
bought my
dogs, bro.
dog, but like, bro, my dog was like a couple bands.
Yeah, I hate when people buy dogs when you can just adopt one.
I know, but I remember they bought it when he was like a week old, and like he was so cute and shit.
Yeah, that's weird.
You think you catching any good trades tomorrow? I'd love to see, bro. The trade I took today wasn't bad at all. Like it was
I have a cat.
good setup, just unfortunate it didn't play out. I just shorted it like a minute too early. And then after I took this loss, I literally hopped off and went to get coffee. Peep the setup. What the fuck? All right, bro. All right, bro. Look at this monitor, bro.
That's crazy.
Steven, you gotta make sure they don't have fleas or rabies, bro. You gotta go get them get vaccinated and like.
Bro, I've had my cat for like a year and a half.
Did you go check for fleas and rabies?
Obviously.
Okay.
She's spayed. She has all her shots. Rabies shot.
That's the thing, bro. You don't want to pick up like straight animals. They got diseases sometimes.
Steven, how'd you get it? I use a monitor mount. It's like $40.
It was 11:30 a.m. Yeah, so right here, ES put an SMT at this low, but the way ES put this SMT in was, we actually traded that low pretty aggressively. You traded through that SMT. We swept that low pretty hard. Like you can see how we swept it, like pretty much with a deep aggressive move. SMT and then essentially before the reversal. This wasn't a bad long, but I wouldn't have taken it because it's a Monday first off, and the chances of getting two good plays on a Monday is like unlikely. Like if you miss this first one, I would have just hopped off. But this long isn't horrible, but it didn't like as you can see the price delivery wasn't very clean. Then we just started accumulating before this final manipulation moved lower for higher, and then never reached any external. But yeah, this is pretty much a search and destroy day on the higher time frame. Just chop up and down, up, down, up, down.
Oh, you gotta give him that hook.
Bro, would have been a good entry. This one right here isn't bad, but I probably would have taken this one. Because this is like, I would have waited for more structure, and then off this, probably this one's probably the best one right here. It's for value add. That's very good, bro. Bro, Jay, I hope you didn't make that TikTok, bro. That's like another man glaze, bro. I hope Jed didn't make that TikTok, bro. Bro, stop saying some weird shit, bro. Yeah, that's a weird ass TikTok, bro.
I know you got to say it on your phone. I'm Taru, you're hallucinating.
Bro, why is it open and shit? No bags, because some days when we have a low probability is you'll see the analysis, like you'll see an A plus setup, but it doesn't play out because it's a low probable day. It's not through analysis, it's through price action. It's just through it's just low probable. Like on Monday, no news, like you might see A plus setup, but it just doesn't play out because it's a low probable day. Like look at last Friday, for example, bro. Not every Monday, but most Mondays are no news, and I don't trade Mondays most of the time. That's what I mean by unprobable days. I don't mean by it doesn't show a setup, because it could show a setup, right? It could show an A plus setup, but then it doesn't play out. It doesn't play out because
Don't say anything weird on my server, bro. I'm gonna touch you. I won't lie.
Bro, what the fuck? It's a low probable day, so like you could see your setup happen, but it's just a low probable. Like look at Friday, for instance. There was like you could have framed a setup off of these sweeps here and then these inversions, but look, none of them played out. And then once you see that, like you just stop. You just don't trade it, and that's what I mean. That's why you avoid Mondays in general, because I got souped here, which is like not perfect price action. Like in a perfect world, this should have played out. There are no times I discard no news on it. Yeah.
Yo, that's some jokish shit.
Yeah, I probably sent that video. He's also sent that you spent that video like 8 times. Also, like on Monday, it's hard to have a draw on liquidity because Monday typically accumulates and takes no draw. Like look at today, for instance, there was literally no draw today. You could have targeted the internal range, but like when you're targeting internal range liquidity, you have no external range draw, so you have no overall direction in which the market's going for that day.
The guy sleeping on his floor.
Wait, what the fuck?
COVID days, I would sleep in my office. That's crazy.
That's the grind, bro.
Fuck that.
Bro, what's stopping you from getting an office and not getting a crib? Just sleep in your office, just live in your office space. Like, what's stopping someone from doing that?
Nothing. You can do that.
Yeah, like first
Why
off,
would you though? You don't have a bathroom. You don't have a kitchen.
bro, you don't need a kitchen, bro. Just like air fry, microwave, and you go
Okay,
eat.
what about the bathroom? Where are you gonna shower?
Bro, don't office spaces got bathrooms?
Hey, where are you gonna shower? Bro's gonna get Planet Fitness membership in the shower.
Yeah, bro,
I
Planet
knew,
Fitness.
I knew somebody was gonna say that.
Bro,
I knew
like
somebody was
imagine
gonna say that.
how much money you could save doing that, bro.
I could say the same. I could just get a bedroom at that point for like $600 a month, and it's probably bigger than the office.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And I can actually use the fucking
You're right.
bathroom and shit. This
You're
guy's so
right,
retarded, I swear.
Like, bro, what if you're making like over 10K a month and you just do that, bro? Like, that's just.
I told you guys, this guy has zero real world experience.
All right, bro.
You're weird if you buy a cat jet when there's thousands of animals in adoption. Hunter's sister's favorite body?
Yeah, that's a fucking. Yeah, what the.
Don't ban him,
Yeah, I'm gonna change his name. I'm gonna change his name. I'm gonna change his name. And then if he changes it back, he's fucking. I'm removing his perms to change his name. Steven.
Someone do second best. That's crazy.
Nah, that's crazy. Don't do that shit.
Hunter, do you go to college? Yes, he does.
Yeah, I'm in college right now. I'm in my the study room right now. Which one? UCF, Central Florida.
University of Central Florida. And I'm gay.
COVID days. Damn, bro, love Dragon Ball.
No, bro. When you adopt a cat, you pay like $200.
It should be free, bro.
You're paying for the shots.
Here's my dad's margarita from Monday.
Like they're already shot. They already have shots and they already have surgery for like the reproductive system.
Overnight high with a turtle soup SNT. Here's my dad's margarita.
Bro, Mexicans just love.
And off the 10 a.m. open. The 10 a.m. power 3 is what drove price to soup that overnight high. So I saw a 10 a.m. power 3 with an open high. So once I saw the inversion of this woman. So once I saw the inversion of this woman at fair value up right here, that's when I went short my stop loss at the high. And my target was lower down there. And as you can see, I got stop induced. And as you can see, I got induced for price to run down lower.